extra charge. What is this? Obviously, you're plugging your USB in.
Why is it black?
It's gonna fall.
It's supposed to, the piece of, like I said, it doesn't, it should generate a bigger charge quicker. And like I said, it's a piece of crap. But the styrofoam is supposed to come flying out. It's trying to. They're in there moving, but right now only the little pieces.
My stomach hurts. Feels good.
Maybe you have to do some type of conversion.
Walk up to it. Stick your tongue to it, Jason.
Yeah, there it
Oh,
goes.
good job,
Put your danky on
I
it.
can touch it.
Oh.
Put your danky on it.
Touch it.
Well, it hit the ground. It's in the ground.
I
Yeah.
dropped it, so.
He's scarred, bro.
Not even about that shiz.
I don't know.
Don't even toe my head, bro.
Are you excited for this lifetime experience?
Bro, you know you.
Alright.
We're over.
Okay.
I hate just
No,
I hate it so much.
I hate me too. Don't worry.
I loved it, especially carrying my
Dumb.
Thanks, dude.
It's just jealous.
I'm jealous.
Oh, you can feel it go right down my arm, down my chest. I don't understand why it won't. Why
All the electrons are in it.
I don't know why it's repelling the plate, and I don't know why. Mostly, it's probably because I got a freaking dollar store plate and it's like got some weird.
Yeah, they probably used something even
I don't
cheaper
know why
than
the styrofoam's not.
I can get you a different pen if you want.
you and your urban materials.
Why is it it's having an effect on my computer? You hear it keep doinking? I don't know, guys. Like I said, cheap piece.
That Tido.
They should come flying out. I don't know why they're not.
That beard.
He's making an EMP generator.
Dude, let me get close up.
What about TV? You know when you turn TV off and you rub it?
Does
Yeah.
cause a blackout.
And then you can like shock people with that?
That was nice.
You're nice.
Think that'll work better, Patrick?
You're welcome. No one even questioned it.
No one cares.
Arm standing up?
Yeah.
I feel like a Sasquatch. Oh my god.
I wonder if I can make all the hair on my body stand up. Dude,
Alright,
can we-
Mr. Kaser, we're gonna
just
snip
said-
David down right now.
This feels so weird because the hair on my legs are standing up. It's pushing my pants away from my legs.
That's